health workers para sa ating bayan. In this regard, through the leadership of our chair in the Committee on Finance, we have sponsored the bill mandating the continuous provision of allowances to our healthcare workers. Sa ilalim ng panukalang ito, mas maraming healthcare workers nang makakatanggap ng allowances, hindi na limitado lamang sa mga directly exposed sa COVID-19 patients. Dahil nga hindi naman talaga natin alam kung sino ang exposed sa virus na ito, hindi natin nakikita itong COVID-19. Kailangan maisama po natin sa budget para dito. May also request the committee to ensure that enough funding is available for the implementation of the directive of the President increasing the salary grade of Nurse 2 from salary grade 15 to salary grade 16. We do not want low moral among the ranks of our nurses. Nagsasakripisyo rin po ang mga ito. We should thus provide them with better pay. I wish to note the decrease in the proposed budget of the Research Institute of Tropical Medicine. We all know that RITM was our primary testing center. Excuse me. At the start of the pandemic, naalala ko nga noong 2019, yun pang binawasan. At nagkataon, ito pang isa sa pinaka-importanting opisina ng DOH. Hindi natin nakalain ang RITM na po ang una na nakapag-conduct ng test. I distinctly remember that even prior to the pandemic, I pushed for the increase of RITM's proposed 2020 budget. With the support of the Senate, we increased the budget of RITM to 223.8 million. For 2021, we further increased the budget of RITM to 393.8 million. Given its crucial role in addressing the pandemic, I am seeking your support for the additional budget for the RITM. I also want to highlight the decrease in the budget for epidemiology and surveillance and the health emergency preparedness and response programs of the DOH. The decreases in the budget are lamentable considering that these programs are directly involved in our response to the pandemic and other infectious diseases. Mainly for these reasons, I urge the increase of funding for these programs. I also call for the additional funding for the One Hospital Command Center. Ang OHCC po ay handang umalalay sa mga pasyente para malaman kung saan bang hospital ang may bakante pangkama. Sila po ang isa sa mga pinaka-importanting opisina po ngayon na nagta-traffic po ng lahat, no, dahil gusto ma-accommodate. Hindi na po nila kailangan mag-antay sa labas ng hospital dahil dito mas nagiging maayos ang referral ng mga pasyente. We should continue to support this program. I also